Over the last 2 or 3 months, our cows have just done got delinquent. They're starting to tear up stuff like I did when I was a kid. And anyway, so a couple of things they've done. For some reason, they have got a fetish for trailer wires. They have chewed the ends, the little four prong ends off 3 different trailers, and I wasn't sure what was happening, what was doing it, until it happened to all 3, and it had to be the cows. So anyway, they just chew them right off and just leave the bare wire there, kind of a nub. And then they came over here to my battery that runs my gate opener on my front fence, and pushed it over, which pulled that hot wire out right there, jerked it out of the holder, the fuse holder, and I was without a gate until I could figure it out, until I came down here and had time to look at it and then saw what they had done. Here's what I'm going to do on this spot, and I'll show you the other spot where they broke a water pipe, and I'll show you what I did there. So I've just got a little piece, a little short tomato cage made out of concrete reinforcement wire. This is where I make my tomato cages. The short one would have been for a pepper cage. So let me set the camera up and I'll show you what I'm doing here to keep them out of this mess right here, so they won't be breaking my stuff. All right, let me set the camera up. So put my 3/8 rebar in the ground. Again, this is a short cage, so I use some short rebar. Both sides, 2 sides, has shown to be plenty on my other project that I will show you in just a second, where they busted a water pipe. All right, so those are in. Put the hammer up. And then I'm gonna use my tie wraps, cable ties, whatever you call them. Now these won't last forever. I've got some stainless steel ones that will last for a long, long time. So I'm gonna put these on here. And it'll just keep nosy little cows out of here. It may be that they reach over the top and jack with it. I don't know. Hopefully not. I'll try to bend my wires down where they're kind of out of sight and out of mind. If so, I'll put a little top on it, a little top piece of wire on top of it so they can't get to it all. And let me get a couple more tie wraps. Some more tie to this fence also. That'll give it a whole lot of stability. Brand new fence, tight, stretched fence on both sides here. I'll show you what it looks like afterwards. And I'll put another couple of tie wraps a little lower on it, lower to the ground, around the rebar. So let me show you what I got. Basically a little cage around the battery. Again, if they have a tendency to reach over and jack with it, I'll put a little piece of wire on top so they can't. But as of right now, it's an old cage. Got some issues where I've bent it up and run over it, whatever. But that should protect it from the cows. And that's what we're trying to do. Trying to keep them off of it, keep them out of it. So here's another place the cows kind of got into. They, I guess, pulled on my hose. This hose is going over to my little pond just to aerate it. I had it going during the summer, and just it came on early in the morning, about 5 o'clock in the morning, ran for 2 or 3 hours just to give it some water, which it needed, but also to give it some aeration for the fish. And the cows got in here, and I guess they were yanking on the hose or on that, curious about the timer or something, and they broke it off down there at the ground, and I came out here and my it was just gushing up out of the ground, so out of the pipe. So anyway, I'll put this it's one of my tomato cages is what it is. put that around it, drove a couple of rebars in it, in the ground to hold it. And you know, it's, if something got crazy and wanted in, of course they could get in, but it's sturdy enough to keep the little curious minds out of it. And that's just another place that the cows are an influence on your property. So just understand, they will chew up wires. They will get into stuff that they shouldn't get into, and that's one reason I've got the gate here, the fencing and the gate on my well, solar, all that stuff. I don't want them anywhere near it, and because, you know, they're just curious. They're not up to any mischief or anything. But just another place that had to fix a water pipe because it busted because of the cows. But anyway, just understand, your cows can mess with your stuff and can cause you a little problem. Just protect your stuff if and when you can. All right, I think that's it on that. We're gone.